How are you, grade 5? Welcome to the last lesson of learning lost materials. In this lesson, my students, we're going to tell time correctly. So let's start. To tell time correctly, my students, we need to know the components of the o'clock we have. On the o'clock, we have the numbers of the hours, the numbers that show the hours 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All of these numbers show us the hours. And also, we have the minutes. Very nice, students. How can we tell the hour and the minute? We have two hands, short hand and long hand. The short hand points to the hours. Very good. And the long hand points to the minutes. Okay, my students, let us look here. Here, the long hand points to the minutes. The minutes is 10 here. 10 minutes. So it is 10 past 10. This is what? Here we have 10 past 10. How can we tell that? Let us have more explanation, my students. Let us imagine the clock we have divided into two parts. The right part you can see here and the left part. On the right part, we use the word past to tell about the time. Okay, my students? And on the left hand, we use, or in the left part of the o'clock, we use the word to. Let us compare, my students. Here we have o'clock. In the right part, we say 5 past, but on the left part, we say 5 2. On the right part, we say 10 past. On the left part, we say 10 2. On the right part, we say quarter past. But on the left part, we say quarter to. On the right part, we say 20 past. On the left part, we say 22. On the right part, we say 25 past. But on the left part, we say 25 too. And here we have half. Okay, my students? So the right part, we use past, the minute, and here we use to. Okay, my students? Very good. As you notice, we started with the minute. 5 past, 5 2, 10 past, 10 2. Okay, my students? Now let us do it by example. Yesterday was a special day. Marwa had lots of work. At 9 o'clock, when they say 9 o'clock or when they say o'clock, the long hand of the o'clock points to 12. This is o'clock. That's mean 0 0 minutes. 0 0 minutes. There are no minutes. And the short hand points to 9. 9 o'clock. Okay, my students, let us have another example. At a quarter past 10. Quarter past. I have a quarter past. Quarter past, that's mean it is on the right part. Where is quarter past? Here is we have quarter past. Quarter past what? Past 10. This is quarter past 10. Let us have another example. At a quarter to. Now we have quarter to. Quarter to comes where? Yeah, on the left part of the clock. So here is quarter to. Quarter to what? Quarter to 11. Very nice. The short hand shows or points to the hour. This is 11. Let's have another example. at 20 past 11. 20 past. 20 past comes where, my students? Here on the right part. Here we have 0. 0, 0. That's 5, 10, quarter, 20. Here we have a 20 past. So this is 20 past 11. The shorthand will point to 11. Very good. This is what? This is 20 past 11. At quarter to 12. Quarter to 12 is on the left part. Very good. So this is quarter to 12. Very nice, students. At quarter to 1, now we have quarter to on the left part of the o'clock. Quarter to what? Quarter to 1. So this, the short hand points to 1. Very nice. Okay, my students. So here we have all the details we need about the o'clock. Study it very well. And here is a very simple homework, my students. Very simple homework. Do it and send it to me. I am waiting for your answers.